Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today's topic is manage delegations in expenses. So what happens in expense module? There is an option which one can use to delegate another person to enter its expense report as well as enter expense report for another person. So this is possible in expense module manage delegations. And who is delegate? Delegate is a person whom you have authorized to perform expense entry and management of your expense report. So why this delegation is helpful? It is helpful because it removes administrative burden, improves user experience, and expedites expense report submission. So these are some benefits of managed delegations, and there are two ways by which you can manage delegation. Is one is from expense work area from settings, and another way is from the task managed delegation. So what we will do is we will move to the instance and we will see both the ways and how we can do the delegation by using these ways. So moving to the instance now. Now after logging to the instance, we will use first way, that is we will navigate to the expense work area and we will use setting to manage delegates for the KC Brown. So let's go to navigator. Me, under me there is expenses. Now here you can see settings, and under settings there is manage delegates. Click on this add icon to add delegates and permission for the KC Brown. Add the person to whom you want to delegate. We will add a person here with the name Akash Sharma to whom we are going to delegate for the KC Brown. Just add, and you can see valid. It is valid from today's date, that is 17 October, and the status is active. Just save and close. Now we will log in as Akash Sharma and we will see how Akash Sharma can also submit expense report for the KC Brown. So now you can see as I have logged in as Akash Sharma. Let's go to navigator, me, and expense work area. Now here in travel and expense page, you can see that LOA is there, owner, and owner is Akash Sharma and KC Brown. As we have delegate to the Akash Sharma for the KC Brown, so it is giving the option, and as you are selecting KC Brown, it is also giving that you are managing expenses for KC Brown. Now this message is also coming here. So this is how delegation works by using the option settings. Now we will use another option, that is the manage delegation task. So for that I'm logging back as KC Brown now. We are now back in KC Brown. So let's go to settings and action, setup and maintenance. Give setup as financials and functional area as expenses, and select all tasks here. You can scroll down and see manage delegation, or else you can just type here in search task manage delegation and search for the task. Here it is, manage delegations. Go to task. For creating a new delegation, just click on this add icon. Fine. So first, let's discuss what is the difference between the two ways, like the using expense work area settings option and using this task manage delegation. The difference between the two is by using the expense work area settings, you can do delegation for the person with whom you have logged in as. Like I have logged in as Casey Brown, so I can do delegation for Casey Brown using this option. And from manage delegation task, which you can see right now on the screen, we can do delegation for any person, irrespective of person as which you have logged in as. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do delegation for the RF Singh to Akash Sharma. So in delegate, I'm going to add Akash Sharma, and in assignment, I'm going to give RF Singh. And there are two checkbox you can see here for accounting access and project access. If you will enable accounting access, it will override the accounting information for any expenses here. And if you will enable the project access, then it will allow delegate to charge expenses to project. Right now I'm not giving any of the option here. If you want to add, you can add comment also and give start date as it is mandatory. I'm giving the today's date only 17 October. Fine, and after doing this, just close it. Save and close. So I have logged in as Akash Sharma. Let's quickly go to Navigator, Me, Expenses. Now here in Travel and Expense page, you can see owner is Akash Sharma, and now RF Singh is also visible. So this is how delegation will work. Now Akash Sharma can also submit report for the RF Singh here. So this is how delegation work in the expense module. This is all for today. Thank you.